Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on section 2 of the routine Come Alive for an advanced level. So, let's begin. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the video Come Alive, section 1 for advanced, that is up on the channel already, to learn the first part of this routine. So standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, we have the same steps as section 1 but starting with the left leg first. So we have a brush toe heel, toe tap behind, heel, a dig, pick up dig. We then repeat these steps on the right leg. So we have brush toe heel, toe tap behind, heel, a dig, then a pick up dig. Perfect! We then repeat the same steps as section 1 but again starting with the left leg first. So we have a brush toe heel to the left diagonal like so, then another brush toe, followed by heel heel. We then repeat these steps on the right leg towards the right diagonal. So we have brush toe heel, brush toe heel heel. Perfect! Next we have the double pick up time steps with a double pick up break starting with the left leg first, like so. Perfect. Then we have 6 spring shuffles starting with the right leg first, making sure that the shuffles are performed to the side. Finally, we have a spring onto the right leg. The left leg digs across the right leg like so. And then we slowly untwist to face the front. And once we're facing the front, we step out to the side with the left leg, like so. And on the final beat of the music, we have a toe tap behind with the right leg, like so. Perfect! That's all of section 2. Let's now piece together all the steps that we've learnt. So again, standing in parallel, knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the left leg first. Perfect! So there you have it, section 2 for the routine Come Alive.